Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. So we're back with a top games video, and this time we're going to show you some of the best multiplayer high graphics games you can play on your smartphone. The games we have selected in this video are first of all are multiplayer, and most importantly, you get good gaming experience while playing these games. So without any further ado, let's begin our today's video, and as usual, we're going to show you these games in random order. So the first game we have in our list is the Bullet Angel. Bullet Angel is a modern FPS mobile game. This game was originally launched for PC back in 2009, and now the game is available for mobile.
Double kill. Triple kill.
The game offers a high quality FPS gaming experience, and you have classic maps such as Aiden Army Warehouse, Pharaonic Temple, and lot more. The graphics of the game are pretty good, and the controls are also easy to understand. You can keep the auto fire on or use the manual firing option. The sound effects are also very good, and the overall gameplay of the Bullet Angel is quite addictive.
Unstoppable.
There are a lot of modes available in this game, starting with the team deathmatch, and then we have the bomb mode, which is similar to the Counter-Strike, and even the map is also same.
Triple kill.
Bomb has been planted.
Final moment.
Apart from that, you also have an arcade mode which has a mummy hero mode, and it's quite fun to play. Bullet Angel is a pretty good game, and if you're looking for an online multiplayer FPS game to play every now and then, the Bullet Angel is the perfect game for it. And if you like this game or have played this game already, then do let us know in the comments down below what you like most about this game. The next game we have in our list is the Rocket League Sideswipe. Rocket League is available for mobile, and I've been playing this game for quite some time, and believe me, it's quite addictive. This car soccer game can be played with your friends or other players around the world. Graphics wise, it's amazing, and the effects are beautiful. And in terms of the gameplay, it's simple, just score the most goals by driving the ball into your opponent's net. You can control the direction of your car by the stick on the left, and on the right side we have the jump and the boost button. Double pressing the jump button will allow you to take the shot. You can play this game in 1 vs 1 or 2 vs 2 team match. In this game, you can also customize your car and also change things like goal animation, boost animation, and so on. Apart from that, you can complete challenges to get different items and also level up and unlock new cars. Overall, Rocket League Sideswipe is a wonderful port of the Rocket League game for mobile. And initially, you'll find the game a bit difficult, but as you progress, you'll find this game pretty interesting and addictive. So do check out this game. The next game we have in our list is the Hero Hunters. Hero Hunters is a third-person RPG multiplayer shooting game. In this game, you have 100 plus heroes to recruit from and go hunting. The heroes we have here in the game are equipped with guns, snipers, rifles, and more. Hero Hunters is basically a third-person, cover-based shooting game. Initially you'll find the controls a bit difficult, but after some time, you'll get used to it. You can play the campaign mode and progress with the storyline, or unlock the PvP mode as you progress in the game. Each hero comes with a unique ability, and you can use it to overpower your opponent. The graphics and the sound effects are one of the best we have seen in a free game. Overall, Hero Hunters is one of the good multiplayer game you can play to pass your time. The next game we have in our list is the Sub Multiplayer Racing. In this game, you choose your car and race, and this game will give you the craziest racing multiplayer gaming experience you can get on your smartphone. This is not a new game, and I've been playing this game for almost 5 years. So basically in this game, you compete with 3 other players around the world and your main goal is to reach the finish line first. The controls are simple and you have the steering control on the left side and the boost on the right side. Each car comes with its own unique power which you can unlock by using the triple boost. And guys, while competing with the other players, you can also take down the opponent's car by forcing them out of the racetrack. Overall, SUP is a simple yet a very addictive racing multiplayer game you can play right now. So do check it out. And the last game we have in our list is the Modern Strike Online. Modern Strike Online is a PvP first-person shooting game. In this game, you have dynamic battles and various combat modes. The graphics are PC quality level and the controls of the game are also easy to understand. There are a total of 7 modes in the PvP mode such as Team Deathmatch, Point Capture, Cyber Warfare and so on. And as you progress in the game, you can unlock these modes. I have played the Team Deathmatch mode in the game and I find the overall gameplay very good. The team who reaches the most points at the end of the round wins the game. And guys, this game is heavily inspired by COD, PUBG and Counter-Strike. Apart from that, in the game, you have 20 plus characters to choose from, which include SWAT, Battle Medic, Navy SEAL, Undercover Agent and a few more. So overall this game offers intense online PvP multiplayer SWAT games battles on your mobile, and that too with good graphics and gameplay. So that's it guys, these were the best multiplayer high graphics games we have found for you for this month. Let us know if you like these games and also do tell us your favorite high graphics game in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off and I'll see you in the next one.